Today we're gonna talk about how to find some dog-friendly campsites and glamping sites for your travels in the UK with your dog. We're gonna address in particular three different resources that you can find online. The first of which is campsites.co.uk. So on this meta search engine for campsites, caravan parks, and holiday parks and glamping accommodation, you can basically browse over 1,400 dog-friendly campsites and refine your search according to different types of accommodation and holidays. They actually do have a direct page where you can find your dog-friendly campsites, which you can find below in your page, scrolling down a bit on the home. And if you hit that, you will find your accommodation types. You can then refine them, so you can see whether you prefer a glamping accommodation, for example, or a specific one, a lodge or cabin, a tent, cavern, camper van, motorhome, etc. And this is pretty straightforward then. The second one, they actually do have also some other pages which are dedicated to dog-friendly campsites near the beach, dog-friendly caravan parks, dog-friendly glamping sites and pods. And I'm gonna put all the different links in the description below this video for your so you can easily click on them. The second app is Campsited. So if you're fine with camping with your dog wherever, you can find that it's a good database where you can find some camping options. Although I must say that there are less options than campsites.co.uk. So for example, we did a quick search selecting England and dogs allowed, and we got 687 hits against over 1,000, which was given by campsites.co.uk. So how to find your dog-friendly accommodation campsite on Campsited. So from the desktop, there are some direct links that again I will put into the description. Otherwise, you can simply select the place where you're gonna stay and your dates, number of guests, and find campsites. And you will get your search results page. If you click on refine results, then you will find under facilities here, you will find that there is a button called dogs allowed. So you can just stick it and then hit view results, and you will get your new results page, refined results page, telling you where you can find dog-friendly campsite for your different options. Last up is Cool Camping, which is coolcamping.com. So in this case, again, you can find a number of dog-friendly camping and glamping sites. Some really nice ones because they have some very, very peculiar yurts, pods, bungalows, bell tents, shepherd's huts, tree houses, basically a really wide options. You can find that there is a direct link, so you can find dog-friendly campsites clicking directly on their dog-friendly campsite button, and then you can refine your search according to a number of things. You can show the map so you can see, as you see, it's not just the UK, it also covers some other some other regions, you can go back to map and then refine your search according to a number of options, including obviously if you are looking for some glamping glamorous places, you can find your treehouse or whichever other option you may want. There are obviously some other websites which do help you finding some camping sites or glamping sites with your dog. For example, one of these is Glamping UK. There is another one called Classic Glamping and another one called Featherdown. These they have much fewer, so much less results for dog-friendly accommodations. But I'm gonna put the links below in the description, and I'm also I'm gonna tell you more about them on the blog. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.